Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh, come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Christ the Lord. Sing, choirs of angels, sing in exaltation. Sing, all ye citizens of heaven above. Glory to God in the highest. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Glamland. I am Lisa, your host for today's video. So as you can see, I am standing here in Majestic Lane, here in our living room. I gave you a brief quick tour of the space, and so now I just want to give you the details of this space. I do have a few more rooms and a few more landmarks that I want to show you here in Glamland, and I hope that you have been enjoying each of my videos. Now, if you're not a member of Homebody, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up while you're at it. If you're interested in seeing the details of the space, just keep on watching. Okay, loves, first of all, as you can see, it is raining outside. It's around about 5:15 or so, and it's dark already. And so I have my ring light on, a couple of lamps and stuff like that. So hopefully you're going to be able to see the items that's in the space. So this is my entryway. So the Nutcracker is a last year purchase from Home Goods. Now I did see these in Home Goods this year. They came in red, black, white. They came in a few colors from Home Goods. I saw a pink one. I saw several colors. My entryway table is from Rooms to Go, but they no longer sell it. If I can find a link for it somewhere else, I think Walmart has them. I will link it. My ellipse vase is from Z Gallery. I have these beautiful tree branches here. These are from one of the warehouses in Dallas. And I have them adorned with some bling. If you see the bling, bling is from Hobby Lobby, I think. My wall art is from At Home. My ribbon is a Ferris silk ribbon, and I've adorned them with some brooches. Then I have these candle slash vases here. These are some Z Gallery dupes, but they're actually from At Home. I have some candles from Luminar. I have the Z Gallery white deer and some cone Christmas trees that's from a holiday warehouse in Dallas. Well, Plano, Texas, actually. Panning around to this side, my pendant light is from ET2 Lighting. The wall art is either from Home Goods, Ross, or Burlington. My mini Christmas trees, my garland, and my Christmas tree are all from King of Christmas. I have some more Ferris silk ribbon. The snowman on my coffee table is from Z Gallery. My coffee table is actually from Amazon, but I'll place a link down below to that. This beautiful snow globe here is actually from Kohl's, and I'll place a link down below for that. My area rug is from Bath & Beyond, but you actually can get your hands on it from Amazon. My couch is from Rooms to Go. My pillows, you can get your hands on those from Amazon. And this is what I'm talking about here. This beautiful mirror, guys. I am in love with my new mirror. You guys know I had that other mirror here for like 6 years or so, 7 years maybe, ever since I've been on social media. But I changed it out to this beautiful mirror from Rooms to Go, and you actually can get this if you go inside a store. It's very beautiful. You can either hang it the way that I have it, or you can hang it in the square formation. The actual lamp that you see in the corner is from Pier 1. The actual florals that you see here is from one of the Christmas warehouses that I shop at. Then I have that mirror ginger jar from Z Gallery, and then I have the red picks here. It's actually from, where are those from? Home Goods. My sconces are from Z Gallery. Deer, the white deer with the beautiful silver backing, is from Hobby Lobby. The glam ornaments here are from Z Gallery, as well as the glam garland. And let's see here. The bedazzled jewel ornaments is from this warehouse called Craftex that I shop at here in Houston. And then you see that I've adorned my bows that I made with some totally dazzled brooches. I will leave the link down just in case you want to adorn some of your brooches, some of your ribbon and bows for the holidays. Now let's talk about this beautiful tree here. Okay, loves, let's start with that beautiful tree topper. So the picks are from At Home. The bling picks are from Michaels. My ribbon again is from Ferris Silk. That deer is from Hobby Lobby. So this ornament here is from Macy's. The bling garland is from Z Gallery. The ice garland that you see coming down is actually from, oh my goodness, that's from one of those holiday warehouses that I went to during the summer. And then it's in the Dallas area. I think it's either called Holiday Warehouse or Decorators Warehouse or something like that. My white ornaments is from Hobby Lobby. The bedazzled jeweled ornaments is from Craftex. The mirrored snowflakes that you see in the tree there is from Big Lots. My red picks that you see sticking out of my tree is actually from At Home. My polar bears are from At Home. And the ornaments, my daughter gifted me those, but those are actually from one of those holiday warehouses from the Plano area. This beautiful ornament here is from Macy's, as well as the slim silver icicle ornament is also from Macy's. And those ornaments are pretty much repeated in the tree. I used a throw blanket for my tree skirt, which is a very affordable way to get your scenery here. Then I have my King of Christmas wreath, and actually that came as a set. The wreath, the 2 mini trees, and the garland from King of Christmas. I will link that down below. My lamp is from Home Goods, another one of those Hobby Lobby deer. My drapes are from Amazon. My wingback chair is from Wayfair, and I will link that. And I have some Z Gallery lanterns on the side with the pillows that you can get your hands on from Amazon. Okay, loves, that is the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to hit the subscribe button before you go and give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!